Day in the life of Andy from Operation Da Nang. Earlier today, I did a live stream at the beach, chasing sunrise with you guys. Hopped on my scooter. Now I'm gonna take you guys to a local pho place, so you can try the my special pho. I guarantee that you've never had it before. Come on in.
Sao họ không ra?
So there you have it, guys. That's my breakfast. Chicken with rare beef pho. Try that next time when you're here in Da Nang or anywhere in Vietnam. The address for this place right here is 116 Yen Bai Street. Yen Bai is spelled Y-E-N-B-A-I. So you'll thank me later. All right, see ya. And then after coffee, after breakfast, I will come here for my black coffee. 10K right here. 10K, 40 cents. If you want a fresh coconut, you can have coconut here too. Right here. People watching in the morning is fun. Here you go, 10K coffee right here. 40 cents, not even 40 cents, 35, 37 cents. And it even comes with iced tea, because the Vietnamese coffee here are so strong. Day in the life of Andy from Operation Da Nang and Bobby. Right here, everybody. It's what we do.